Hello, I'm Steve Masker with Sulfur Water, and what I wanted to do is just take a moment today to discuss ongoing calls that we get as a company. People will call us and say, I have a sulfur smell in my water and I'm wondering if you guys can come and fix the problem. And often we'll go out to the customer's house or potential customer's home and find out that they really don't have a sulfur problem in their water. I'm talking, a lot of these are people that are on city water, and we'll go out there and we'll turn on their kitchen water tap and there's no odor at all, and we'll proceed on to the other rooms, and then all of a sudden the person will say, well, you know what, when I think about it, the odor is only coming from the one bathroom sink, and it usually is the one that the husband is using because he's shaving over the sink and the hair is going down the drain and getting caught in the drain trap, and therefore after a while bacteria and such will attach to that, and when every time you turn on your water, the minute the water hits the bottom of the sink, the drain, the smell comes up, and so that's not unusual. And a fix for that is just buy some type of a Drano or some type of a drain cleaner and pour that into the drain. Be careful, use a little funnel, because some sinks, not all, most sinks you won't have a problem, but some of these fancy sinks now, you don't want to possibly discolor the drain. So if you use a funnel, pour it carefully down into the drain and just kind of get around the edges into the drain, you'll find presto, the odor will be gone. You may have to repeat that once, maybe twice a year, as you get hair accumulation or such that might accumulate in the drain. And one other thing about sulfur odors in water, another possibility is there's a small percentage of hot water heaters on the market today that people are installing in their homes, and these have an anode rod. And the magnesium anode rod tends to create a sulfur smell. So you'll notice you'll have sulfur smell only from the hot water side, not the cold water side. So if you change that anode rod out and put a zinc anode rod in place of it, that will solve your problem. Anode rod typically is $69, $89 plus whatever it costs to have a company install that for you. So you're probably looking at potentially $200, $250, possibly that much, maybe less. And that will resolve that issue. Again, our website, please visit it. It's sflwater.com. And again, this is Steve with Sulfur Water. Hope I answered just a couple of those simple questions that are quite common in the industry.